My name is Sashank Reddy. I'm a plastic surgeon and a scientist working at Johns Hopkins, and I'm the medical director for Johns Hopkins Technology Ventures. In my role in plastic surgery, my colleagues and I take care of patients with soft tissue losses all the time. It's the essential thing in our field, is to restore missing soft tissue. So soft tissues are things like skin, fat, muscle. They're the tissues that contribute to our body's form and in many cases to function as well. And those tissues can be lost in patients millions of times a year as a result of, say, cancer surgery, as a result of trauma, as a result of congenital developmental issues, and even as simply from the process of aging. As we get older, our soft tissues thin. Restoring that missing soft tissue volume is the critical thing we do in our field. And as a scientist working in regenerative medicine, an area I'm very excited about is to try to restore those missing soft tissues by using the body's own regenerative mechanisms and complementing those regenerative mechanisms with other tools we bring to bear. This technology that we developed was the outgrowth of a very fruitful collaboration with our colleagues in material science to address exactly that goal.